Один, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть,
All right,
семь,
hopefully it comes back.
восемь, девять.
Hey, so good afternoon. So we're going to try to do a test video of the DJI Neo drone. Right now I'm using my external microphone, so we're throwing it all together. Let's see if we can get them to come home. First time out with the DJI Neo drone, which is a really cool drone. It's got a whole bunch of different features on it here, different modes. It can do a follow, it could do what they call a Droney, it could do spotlight, it could circle around you, it does a rocket thing, it goes manual. I'm also going to use this microphone, make sure we can get some good audio with the drone, so that'll be really cool to see as well. And of course I'm recording some of this on my DJI action camera, whatever they call it. So I'm just like a total walking commercial for DJI, I guess. All this stuff has been working out really well. So here's a quick video. Hey, good afternoon. So we are going to try to do a couple things at the same time here. We're going to be flying a DJI Neo drone. And I've also got a DJI microphone to go with it. So we're just doing the pairing right now. Once we do that, we're going to do just a simple follow mode, which you can see it shows up here on the cell phone. And what we do is put our little hand out and hit the start button.
3, 2, 1.
And there we go. It seems a little tilted, but I think probably it's fighting the wind here. Anyhow, we're doing a tutorial or like a test of the DJI Neo drone. I'm kind of a new user to drones and definitely to this type of drone. So we'll see how the microphone works out. That sounds, hopefully it comes through pretty good. And we're also recording with the DJI Action 3 camera. So we got DJI pretty well covered here. Hopefully the Chinese appreciate it. And let's see if we can get it to come back. Come on back, baby. Okay, now we're going to try to do a Droney. So you can see it's set up as Droney, and what that means is it's going to go out and back from me here. And got enough room, I think, that you shouldn't get into too much trouble.
3,
And here we go.
2, 1.
Cool. So let's see what happens. I think it'll go backwards, yeah. And hopefully we're getting the sound. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, and it is kind of tilted back, so it is, and I guess it's just starting to do the video and audio now. And I think if I just put my hand under, that'll stop it. Nice. Okay, so now we're going to do the circle. So hopefully you're following this all so far on the, let's see what the camera's showing here. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be a circle mode. So I think for circle, I'm going to step back a little bit here and make sure I don't hit anything. I'm not sure how big the circle is, so we'll see. So here we go.
3, 2, 1.
And we're in circle mode. Now it only has started the video right now. So that's pretty cool. And it should go all the way around me. Looks like it's got kind of a 6-foot radius. That's pretty cool. And hopefully we're getting the audio on the microphone here. And then I think that's it. It's going to move in. It's looking for my little hand. That's awesome. Okay, next mode is, we're going to get crazy. We're going to do rocket. let's see how high up it goes on this one. Here we go. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
All right. Hopefully it comes back. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. There it is. Now it's coming back. And I guess it has to see me. There we go. That worked pretty good. All right, last mode is the spotlight mode. So once again, I'm going to hit the start button here on my cell phone.
3, 2, 1.
So I think what spotlight's supposed to do is just kind of follow around like this. We'll see. It should start. Yeah, it's starting the video already, but it should kind of follow me. I don't know what kind of distance this does, but like I can be fishing or something, I guess, and I can get video, which is pretty cool. And it's following me around pretty good. That's pretty awesome. It's got its camera, little camera right on me there. So I guess it just kind of sits in the same spot. I don't know if it comes up to you or not. Doesn't look like it does. But it just kind of follows you like a spotlight, I guess, huh? Okay, and that's all the modes. And then I guess I can do a manual mode thing if I get crazy here. Well, there's direction track and there's manual control. All right, here we go. All right. So let's see. So it'll go up. And there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to do a rotate. Actually, I'm going to go up a little bit higher. Hopefully the battery's holding in there. Then we're going to do a rotate. Let's see if we can go a little higher here. Okay, let's do a rotate. That's pretty cool. Okay. Now let's go down. And it's coming down. Good deal. Not bad. There it is. And I think if I just step up then and put my hand under it, there it is. That's pretty cool. And I can stop the camera. Pretty awesome. All right, so that's what we got for today here. Our quick test and demo on the DJI Neo drone using the external mic and using the app on the Apple iPhone. Looks like it works pretty good. So we'll experiment with this a little bit more. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. See ya.